Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Your kidneys play a vital role in your overall health and well-being, as they are responsible for filtering waste and excessive fluid from your blood. To keep your kidneys healthy and functioning properly, it's important to incorporate certain foods into your diet that can help to detox and cleanse your kidneys. In this video, we'll explore some of the best foods for kidney health and discuss how they can help to improve the function of your kidneys. Before we get into the foods that will detox your kidneys, be sure to check out the link in the description to discover the encyclopedia of natural remedies filled with over 300 ancient cures. Click the link in the description to discover natural healing and home remedies for common ailments. Now, let's get straight into the video. Kidney stones are hard deposits of mineral and acid salts that form in the kidneys and can cause severe pain and discomfort. They can develop when the levels of certain substances, such as calcium, oxalate, and uric acid, become too high in the urine. Some common causes of kidney stones include: number 1, dehydration. Not drinking enough water can cause the urine to become concentrated, increasing the risk of kidney stone formation. Number 2, diet. Consuming a diet that is high in animal protein, salt, and sugar can increase the risk of kidney stone formation. Number 3, genetics. Some people are more prone to developing kidney stones due to genetics. Number 4, medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as gout, inflammatory bowel disease, and hypoparathyroidism, can increase the risk of kidney stone formation. Symptoms of kidney stones include: number 1, severe pain in the lower back, side, or lower abdomen. Number 2, pain that comes and goes or radiates to the groin. Number 3, nausea and vomiting. Number 4, cloudy or strong smelling urine. Number 5, urinating more often than usual. And number 6, blood in the urine. Foods to eat. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning properly. By providing your kidneys with the nutrients and antioxidants they need to stay strong and healthy, you can help to prevent kidney disease and ensure that your kidneys are functioning optimally. Cranberries. Cranberries are a great food for kidney health, as they contain compounds that help to prevent and treat urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections can lead to serious kidney problems if left untreated, so incorporating cranberries into your diet can help to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning properly. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are another great food for kidney health, as they are high in water content and can help flush out excess fluid and waste from your kidneys. Cucumbers are also a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and preventing kidney disease. Additionally, cucumbers contain an antioxidant called caeclia, which can help to strengthen the kidneys and improve their function. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful food for the kidney health, as it contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative damage to the kidneys. Garlic has also been shown to lower blood pressure, which can help reduce the strain on the kidneys and prevent kidney disease. Additionally, garlic contains allicin, an antimicrobial compound that can help to prevent and treat urinary tract infections, which can be harmful to the kidneys. Lemon. Lemon are a great food for detoxing the kidneys, as they are high in citric acid and can help to break down and flush out waste and excess fluids from the kidneys. Lemons are also high in vitamin C, which can help to boost the immune system and prevent infections that can harm the kidneys. Additionally, lemons are a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and preventing kidney disease. Watermelon. Watermelon is a truly remarkable fruit that offers a multitude of health benefits, particularly when it comes to kidney health. Not only is it a mild diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluid and waste from the body, but it also hydrates and cleanses the kidneys, keeping them functioning at their best. One of the key nutrients found in watermelon is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health and ensuring that the kidneys function optimally. Research has shown that lycopene has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help to reduce oxidative stress and prevent the formation of damaging free radicals in the body. This helps to protect the kidneys from harm and reduces the risk of developing kidney disease. Pomegranate. Both the juice and seeds of pomegranate are rich in potassium, a mineral that is essential for maintaining optimal kidney function. Potassium helps to lower the acidity of urine, which can prevent the formation of kidney stones. In addition to its potassium content, pomegranate is also known for its astringent properties. This means that it helps to tighten and constrict tissues, which can help to prevent the crystallization of minerals that can lead to kidney stone formation. By curtailing the crystallization of minerals and promoting the elimination of toxins and waste from the kidneys, pomegranates can help to keep the kidneys functioning at their best. Green tea. Green tea is another great food for kidney health, as it is high in antioxidants and can help to reduce oxidative damage to the kidneys. Green tea also contains catechins, which have been shown to prevent the formation of kidney stones and protect the kidneys from damage. Asparagus. Before we reveal the benefits of asparagus, be sure to check out the link in the description to discover the encyclopedia of natural remedies filled with over 300 ancient cures. Click the link in the description to discover natural healing and home remedies for common ailments. Now, let's get straight into the benefits of asparagus. Asparagus is a highly nutritious vegetable. With its high fiber content, asparagus is an excellent food for promoting healthy digestion and preventing a range of digestive issues. In addition to its fiber content, asparagus is also rich in phytonutrients. These phytonutrients can help lower blood pressure, increase urine production, and break up uric acid, which is a key factor in preventing kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. While asparagus can be highly beneficial for those looking to prevent kidney disease, it is important to note that those who already suffer from kidney disease should be careful when consuming this vegetable. This is because asparagus is also rich in potassium and phosphorus, which can be harmful to those with kidney disease if consumed in large amounts. So if you're looking to detox your kidneys and improve their overall health, be sure to include these foods in your diet. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe icons. And with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.